I feel like so connected when I see. It's kind of feel like I see my soul in water. It's just it feels a connection.
We're here right now at the Ars Electronica Festival in the Mariendom, September 2023. What inspired me? I actually am a photographer and I saw a picture of a cymatic picture. Cymatic is the name of the physical investigation of the interaction of sound in a medium. And I saw this picture, which was an incredible, beautiful mandala, and it said this is a picture of a frequency. And I asked my brother, who is a sound artist and a technician, if he can build me a machine where you have a little water bowl on a speaker to try this out. And then our journey started, and that was sort of like 2 years ago. And then we built prototypes. It took us forever till the first time we have this amazing form of sacred geometry proportions. And since then we have developed it further and further. And one very important aspect is that we are visualizing the frequency of personal voices. And right now we're standing here in the chapel in the Mariendom, and we have a model who just recorded the voice.
Without water, we have no life.
That was perfect. And what is now happening is that we start the soundscope with your voice, and that we play everything into all our apparatus. You know, you will feel the vibration soon. The speaker gets a vibration, and you turn this little blue knob, which is the volume or the amplitude, slowly to the right. See already it's starting. A beautiful picture. Yes, and there we go. It starts in the middle. We see now the reflected light from the ring light. And you are now going into resonance with yourself, with the frequency of your voice. And there we go. Look, you've done a perfect job. It's a perfect start, you know? The operator is taking pictures with this camera from the vibration in his wall here. It's a live picture. It's no computer changed. And now we're going to look at the pictures we've done. Yeah. Frames. And we have 4 perfect pictures with a reflection of the glass light here in our little bowl. It's amazing, isn't it? And it's completely an analog phenomenon and shows a lot of how waves manifest in this material world.
Incredible. And we've got the mandala just behind you, the beautiful resonance of Corinne Ecker.
Exactly. Karen will get a photo print with her as a remembering of being in resonance with yourself.
What resonance do you have with this art piece that you've created behind you?
Yeah, why am I so taken by it? Mesmerized by it. Mesmerized is a much better word. I think there's a really beautiful aesthetic in it. I like geometric forms, I like mathematics, I like numbers, but I also like the psychological aspect of being in tune with yourself. I like the model, you know, Nikola Tesla, Albert Einstein, everything is vibration. From the physics standpoint, that this is an energy field, which is a vibrating field. A fascinating interaction of the real physical world, of our feelings and our self-perception, and of the arts. And all of that in an immersive experience.
Incredible.
That's why I love it.
ivibe.life.
ivibe.life.
Thank you. ivibe.life. Woo!